We'll guide you through how to create a shake effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the EDIT page. You need to have your clip already placed on the timeline. Now, go to the Effects library on the top left side of the interface, and under Open Effects, search for the effect called Camera Shake. Drag and drop this effect onto your video clip in the timeline. Once applied, you'll notice the video has that shake effect, but we can customize it further. To do that, click on the clip in the timeline to select it. Then, open the Inspector panel on the right side of the screen. Here, you'll see the camera shake settings. You can adjust parameters like motion scale for how intense the shake is, speed to control how fast the shake occurs, and motion blur to add a more realistic blur during the shake. If you want to make the shake more specific to certain parts of your video, you can keyframe these settings by clicking the diamond-shaped icons next to each parameter. This allows you to animate the shake effect so it varies over time. A tip to make it feel more natural is to slightly vary the settings instead of keeping them constant. Once you're happy with your adjustments, play back your clip to see how it looks. If needed, you can fine-tune the settings further until you achieve the desired effect. This is a powerful way to add dynamic movement to your videos, especially in action scenes or to emphasize certain moments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.